Magnolia fans demand change. Is Tyler Bay returning to save the Hotshots? Magnolia Hotshots management is reportedly reaching out to former import Tyler Bay to see if he is available to join the team again. Fans are requesting a new import as Ricardo Ratlaf's performance has declined with age. Magnolia has been struggling this conference, prompting the team to consider Tyler Bay's return. Magnolia will possibly replace coach Chito Victorero next year. A big announcement is going to happen. Magnolia Hotshots is struggling this conference. Magnolia Hotshots are requesting for a new import as Ricardo Ratliff is getting older, and not as the same type of the player he should be. The Magnolia management is trying to contact their former import Tyler Bay, if he is available right now to make him their new import this conference. May balita o rumors naman na ang Magnolia Chicken Hotshots ay interesado makuha ang free agent na si Matt Ganuelas-Rosser, na dating naglaro sa TNT Tropang Giga. Pero wala pang malinaw na usapan dito. Tila nagmamakaawa na nga ang Magnolia management. Natulungan sila ng SMC na magkaroon ng major rebuilding sa kanilang koponan. Hindi na malaman kung ang coach ba, o ang player ba ang problema sa koponan. Mukhang wala din kasi pakialam ang SMC sa nangyayaring gusot sa team. Dahil nakafocus sila sa SMB at Ginebra na main priority ng SMC. Pero may team governor sila, at team manager na pwedeng mag-request ng gagawin nilang hakbang. Abangan na lang natin pagkatapos ng conference na ito kung sino ang iuupo na head coach ng SMC.
Kamusta mga idol? Sports Zone PH para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.